All right, so drunk camera. That these Pioneers and the TSX, the originals, they ain't doing good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a hack. I'm gonna cut this off the original plug and drill it out, pull off the wires, and make me a plug for my new speaker. Be right. All right, so we took this, drilled it out off of this, all right, because these speakers are toast. Yeah, you see that, they toast. Now, we're gonna take this, attach them to the new speaker. Where is the new speaker? Let's see this. This old cheap Scotia speaker, but a whole lot better than what's in there. This dude is already pumping with the hack. And so we're gonna do the other one the same way. Okay, so you see it.
Low tonight of 43 degrees for your Thursday.
Plug, the original plug from the car. So by doing this and using the old scrap speaker I had, the blown speakers out of the vehicle, I can just use this, plug it right on in, and we'll see what we got. All right. Y'all hear it? Sound a whole lot better, man. Balanced out. Didn't have no sound back there in the back, but you got it right, man. Next time we come back, we're gonna have this right here fixed. We'll holler. That's that for the hack.